Shadow. Hi, Shade. Hello, Shade. Oh my goodness, Shadow. It's been a long time, hasn't it? Shadow. Oh, I love you, Shadow. I love you. I love you, little one. Okay, come inside. I know, Kayno. What is going on? Are we all very excited? Oh, delicious, right? Let me give you a little smell. What does that smell like? We've got a bit of PAUA in here. PAUA, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. Chunks of that and just shredded chicken. All right, Kayno. This is for Kayno, not for you. Sit. Sit. What? Good boy. Okay, okay. Don't even know what you're missing out on.
Oh, buddy, you're not a king bee. He's gonna try jump.
He is going to try jump.
Do you want to come
Keep him on the tread. Good
Yeah,
boy.
he's too smart for his own good.
He is. He's too smart for his own good. He worked out very quickly he could get off the tread. So this will help keep him on the tread, which will be less scary because when he's got one foot off and the rest of him moving, he's
Yeah,
like,
must feel really abnormal.
good boy. Yeah. Should we try again? You ready?
Even if you drop your phone in here, it's no
Good
problem.
boy,
It's
come on.
waterproof.
That's it. Good boy.
Good boy, Shad.
Good
boy.
This is great. This is a
Yep.
really
He's actually just doing it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
so
it. He's doing it. Oh.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Love it.
Good boy, Shadow.
Boy.
Oh my god, we're gonna get on top of this Dysplasia, aren't we, buddy?
Yeah. And so there's some like things you can do at home as well, like strengthening exercises. Good
Stop
boy.
drinking the
Shut
salt
up.
water.
Good boy.
We were at the beach and
fast
he
is that?
decided that ocean water tastes real good. And yeah, he had violent diarrhea.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this isn't too salty because
Oh,
the
okay.
chlorinator's already turned a lot of that salt into chlorine.
Oh, okay.
But it is chlorinated, so we still don't want to drink too much of it. So at the moment he's going 3.4 kilometers an hour,
Oh, okay.
which is pretty decent.
Come on. There you go, buddy. Hey. Oh, okay.
His bum hit the back wall.
Yep.
He got a fright.
And he got a fright and then
Good
he
boy.
just...
That was really good though.
Alright, buddy.
Hang on. It's alright. We're not going to end on a scary note. We're going to chill for a second.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy. Good. Yeah. Good boy.
You love water, come on. I reckon, yeah, like, there you go, shake it off, love it.
Good boy.
I reckon, 2 or 3 times and I think he'll get it. What we should do is get Kayno in here, and then he'll get it the first time.
Hey, good boy. That's
All right.
it. Last one. Good boy. That's it.
Go.
That's
Good boy.
it. Good boy. Last one. Good boy.
Go.
That's it. Good boy. Good boy. Shadow. Good boy. Does he like toys, like balls?
Nah.
Okay. Good boy. Alright.
Yeah, he's food. No, nothing.
Here we go. Good boy.
Oh, wow.
Good boy. Well done. Should we take the noodles away?
Yeah.
There
Go for a snap shake.
we go. Good boy. First session where you can see that they're pretty like
Timid.
yeah, oh my god,
Unsure
what's going on?
on.
Yeah, really unsure, just like, oh my god, but he's walking, that's good. So when they're too scared, they just freeze and they don't move. So that's perfect. And then the next time he comes in, he'll be like, oh god, oh, okay.
Are you the
and
big
then the
bad
next
one?
time he'll be like, I know what's going on,
Yeah.
I'm fine. And then the next time he'll be like, I'm in the water.
How
Yeah.
long is a session generally?
So half hour, but depending on where they're at, sort of how long I'm walking for. So how long do you guys walking for?
We do pretty long walks on a week.
Vanessa hid behind the curtains the other day,
Yeah.
just to because the vet told us as well to stimulate him mentally as well.
Yeah.
She hid behind the curtains. He couldn't figure it out. He couldn't smell her, and I was just like to him, pointing at the curtains, and it took him a solid 5 minutes to figure it out.
Oh wow. Boy, I'm just going to shut all the doors so you don't run around and slip over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a really good idea, doing some mental stimulation like that. I do a little,
Buddy, come here.
like, try and do some centering and stuff with my dog as well to help me learn like that.
Yeah, we did.
Good boy.
Oh my goodness. Big shake.
Man.
Yeah, right in front of me, buddy. Yep.
Boy.
That's the usual spot.
Well done. You did good.
There we go. See what I mean?
You
We're
did so good.
He's really happy to be out there.
Good
He's
boy.
like, I survived.
Yeah.
Did you survive?
Good boy.
Come here.
Mum's just drying you off, hey? Good boy. You did so good.
We've got bone broth in here with just all like melted bones that I can literally peel off with my hands, like these ones. There's a bit of radish, and then the same for Shadow as well. They've got different kibble, so this one is for like joint and bone kind of kibble, whereas Kayno just has like normal kibble, and of course a lot of bone broth. And Shadow also has supplements in his. You can see one of them is there just floating around. He's got some other supplements in his one as well. So here we go. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Okay, come on. Come on.
Come here. No. Come here. Here. Paw. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Oh. Hey, come on. There you go. Oh, that's a good boy. Shadow, come here. Good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
He's comfortable walking on and off it.
Oh, good boy.
Oh my god.
Come on. Come on. Oh, there's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Sit, that's a small one. Okay. Sit. Paw. Good boy.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Wait. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Wait. I'm honestly so thirsty.
Wow. See that right there? It's a princess right there with a big mouthful of kombucha. So this is Vanessa featuring How to Train Your Dog. Okay, so the key to success, guys, is to get is to get some bacon and somebody to teach your dog how to be comfortable with the ramp. And then tell your dog off when he goes for the bacon without the reward.
What's this? Come on.
And then, you know, like, we're agile here. You see what I mean? Look, we're walking up and down the ramp. Close enough. Yep.
What's this? What's this? Come on. Come on.
Oh, look at the senior citizen.
Good boy.
Alright, give him that bacon.
Boy. Sit.
Yep, you have to do that as well.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Nope. Go back and do it again.
Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good.
Perfect, perfect.
Good.
Alright, now go outside. Alright, come here! Come here! Come here! Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come here. Alright, go.
Come here. Come here.
Alright, come here! Shadow, come here.
What's this? Shut up. Okay, good boy. Good boy.
Good boy. Oh, good boy. Alright, outside. Vanessa, get off the ramp now. He's comfortable going down. Okay. Hear to him. So if you just be super duper quiet, he'll still hear me because I'm talking and he has drowned out this noise. Yeah, he has, because he's a doofus moofus. Shadow, go! 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 Ready? Go! Love it. Shadow, look! Go! Yeah, absolutely love the water. Oh, look at the friends! Alright, there you go. Go. He's not going into the middle of the pond for some reason. Sorry? Both of them.
Oh, it's deep.
Yeah, it's a bit deep, but she's got no problem going down there.
She's
Oh!
too young to know.
No, the big shake, buddy. Jesus, fuck, there's something in my shoe, Vanessa. Fuck, my camel toe. It's right, see? Right in the camel toe, right there. Don't buy these shoes, they have a freaking camel toe. Betty, our homegirl Betty is just on to it. Wow. We've ditched.
Sit. Sit down. Wait. 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 Good boy. Okay, come on. Inside. Inside. Inside.
Alright, Shadow, sit down. Sit. Good boy. Wait. Alright, let's go. Yeah, angles is probably that one. Because you're just imagining, you know, you walking like that, looking like an idiot.
Don't swing them.
This is the poo.
No, pillow. No. Why would you do that?
Alright, Shadow, come here. Shadow, come on. Oh, who's a thirsty boy?
Here, I want to drink.
That's a pretty good dinner for Shadow. Is he on the prowl? Nah, he's not on the prowl. He's just a doofus. Alright, buddy, let's go. Come on. It'd be really funny if he went into the grass and tried to sneak up on them.
Come here. Shadow, come here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Can we just talk about how I've got the best guard dogs in the world? Literally the best guard dogs in the world. Oh, you're gorgeous, Shadow. You're beautiful. Who is it? What's going on?